Hello there, this is Raymond McMorris from Johnson RV in beautiful Gilroy, California. And right behind me I got the 2021 Strada Lounge from Grech sitting on the beautiful Mercedes-Benz 3500 diesel chassis. I get the opportunity to show you guys the beauty of the inside and out of this coach. Just go ahead and follow me right over here. As you can see, the design of this Grech is very streamlined. It is an extremely beautiful looking coach. Grech is a company that has been around for quite a while when it comes to luxury transportation, mostly limos, and they just got into the Class B segment. But as you can see, everything is extremely well done on the outside. Nothing sticking out. Everything is hidden in these little compartments over here. You see this like your power hookup over here. You actually have an outdoor shower, city water connection, and everything will be covered as long as you're not, plugged in. As you can see down here, this is the cover. And this is going to be for the sewer outlet connection. So Grech did an extremely good job when it comes to design, as they already are experienced with. You have the side mirror cameras over here for safety. And let's just go ahead and go inside so that way I can show you guys some of the more quality things on the interior. This is going to be the lounge. So you're going to have the 4 captain chairs. They all do swivel. As you can see right down here, you have a spot for a table. So you guys can go ahead and eat over here and lounge around, perhaps while you're watching TV right there. And here's a little slot back here for one of the tables. And then this is the back area of the Strada Lounge. As you can see, cabinets, very well done. Again, very streamlined. Your sink, you have a pretty spacious sink. Pretty deep sink right there. And you have induction stove tops right here. 2 little burners. Your refrigerator is going to be right down here. And of course, you actually have a microwave. Very nice. Coming in the back over here, you have more room. You have another 3 seats right here, 2 right here. So in reality, you're able to fit almost, I believe, 9 people in here. Back here in the lounge area, you're gonna have another TV, a Bose soundbar, which is really nice. And the quality of this material is top notch. So Grech did not go shorthanded on any type of quality when it comes to this coach right here. And in here you have the bathroom, which is really nice. Light is off, but if you can just right here take a look, you have a little motion sensor, so it turns on even if you don't put the switch on. Everything in here is fiberglass with the porcelain toilet right there, and kind of like a little clothes hanger, or clothesline right there, a little spot right there for to hang up your stuff. And let me actually show you guys. It's really nice. This is the control panel up here, which is going to be Android and Apple compliant, so you can hook up to your phone, do everything from your phone. So literally you can just press these buttons and you'll see it just turns on all this stuff right from here. And at nighttime, you just go ahead and leave those accent lights on. It is extremely beautiful. Let me go ahead and show you really quickly what it looks like with the bed down. Okay, so the sofa bed, it's all touched right here. That sofa bed is dropping down right there. Go ahead and extend the ottoman on the passenger side. Again, I'm just pressing that button right there. And then the driver's side ottoman. And there goes your king bed right there. Very spacious. You just drop this right down here. You put this right down here. And you have the full space. You got your pillows right there. And it's really beautiful with your AC unit right up top. I'm telling you, when it comes to Grech, the quality is top notch. This Class B is extremely beautiful Class B. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call here at Johnson RV in Gilroy, California. Again, my name is Raymond, and I look forward to helping you guys out with any questions you may have. Thank you so much.